Drones, the sky's the limit when it comes to possibilities. With its advanced technology, they're used to showcase the different drone shows in the sky across the world. What are the 15 most beautiful drone light shows in the world? Watch the video to find out. But before that, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Drones have emerged as versatile tools, serving various purposes such as monitoring climate change, conducting search and rescue operations after natural disasters, capturing stunning photographs and videos, and even delivering packages. However, it's worth noting that their most well-known and contentious use is by the military for reconnaissance, surveillance, and targeted attacks. Number 15. We have a spectacular drone show organized at the Argyros Performing Arts Center in Ketchum, Idaho, USA. The show featured a total of 200 drones that performed in harmony, showcasing some of the most beautiful states of the USA. The show was a small-scale production, but it left a lasting impression on the audience, who were amazed by the precision and coordination of the drones. It was truly a breathtaking experience. Number 14. Sky Elements, a renowned drone company, recently put on a spectacular show in the city of Texas, USA. The show featured a breathtaking display of 150 drones that illuminated the night sky with a range of impressive objects including love signs, butterflies, birds, bottles, clocks, and many other visually stunning creations. It was truly a mesmerizing experience that left the audience in awe and wonder. Number 13. In 2021, Sky Elements made a drone show at the top of the NYE celebration at the Reunion Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas, to enhance the New Year's Eve celebration. With 5,000 pyrotechnic devices on the tower itself, as well as the LED lights on the ball. The drones disappeared after giving the show. Number 12. After a year, Sky Elements hosted another show on 15 February 2022. 125 drones were used in this show. Flowers, love symbols, birds, etc. were displayed. Number 11. In anticipation of the Christmas holiday, an exciting drone show was organized in December 2022. The show was a spectacular display of technology and creativity, leaving the audience in awe of the stunning aerial formations and mesmerizing light displays. It was a truly memorable experience for all those who attended. Number 10. A drone show was organized on December 11, 2022, ahead of the Christmas, with 400 drones flying and showcasing images like glasses, airplanes, and helmets. Number 9. A large-scale drone show was held on December 22, 2022, in North Texas, USA. A massive number of 1,001 drones were used in this show of various objects created with drone number 8. In July 2018, Intel organized a drone show that used 1,500 drones to create a stunning display of shapes and patterns, including the Intel logo and a world map. It was a remarkable experience for all who witnessed it. Number 7. Sky Elements made history in Santa Monica, California, with the largest drone show in Los Angeles. 600 drones were coordinated for a stunning display to celebrate the release of the new Super Mario Bros. Movie. Number 6. Marvel's 300 drone show at the Pittsburgh Pirates game on May 19, 2023, was a hit with the audience. Beloved Avengers characters such as Iron Man, Thor, Hulk, Captain America, Captain Marvel, Ant-Man, and the Wasp were showcased in the stunning performance, making it a truly sensational experience that left a lasting impression on all those who witnessed it. Number 5. A breathtaking drone show in Busan, South Korea, featured thousands of drones that captured stunning aerial footage of various subjects, including people. The event was a spectacular display of technology that left the audience in awe of the capabilities of these flying machines. Number 4. In 2023, Seoul, South Korea hosted a spectacular drone show that wowed spectators. The show featured an array of stunning images, including colorful butterflies, lush trees, delicate leaves, and vibrant flowers, all of which were brought to life in the sky through the use of drones. The innovative display left the audience in awe, and many are eagerly anticipating the next drone show in the city. Number 3. In July 2024, a drone show of 1,002 drones was made, which broke records and climbed up to the Guinness World Book of Records, paying tribute to the United States. Number 2. A drone show was organized in Sydney, Australia. Witnessed by people standing on either side of the river, various things like the globe, celestials, etc. were showcased. And last, number 1, we have the drone show held in China, with 1,500 drones to display animated images of dragons. Thousands of spectators witnessed this event. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.